Hey guys, thanks for joining. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this intense, bold kajal look. If you want to know how to get this look, then keep on watching. To begin with, make sure the surface is clean of any oils. Dab a bit of powder around the eye to make sure that the oils are controlled, and use your favorite kajal. I'm using this Marc Jacobs Highliner in the shade Blacquer. Really good kajal. Love how long lasting it is. Even though it seems to be rubbing off of the outer edges, that's because my eyes are very oily, and this kajal seems to be really good. What you're gonna do is you're gonna have to apply a thick dab of your favorite liner. There you go. That's how thick I'd like to get it on my waterline. And then I also tightline. Keep a black eyeshadow in handy. This is to set the kajal in place, and also it prolongs the wear of the kajal. So now that's what the step leaves you at. Basically, you have a nice smoky lower lash line. You can wear it just like this, or what I usually do is I just add a bit of eyeshadow on the outer corners of my upper lash line to elongate my eyes, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. Once you're done with the entire process, this is something how you end up. Once I'm done with this, I add a little bit of inner corner highlight. This looks, it's very common that the eyes look very dark and intense, and you don't want to look too dull. So adding that inner corner highlight just brightens up the eyes and it makes them look really awake. And that's it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this 2 minutes tutorial, and I'll see you guys in my next one.